Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, March the 6th. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of our trading room. This is the address to get into the room, and the room is open from 9 a.m. to up to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have gone to a 32-inch 2K monitor, so hopefully this resolution and all, hopefully it works on the when I'm doing this video. I have three of them now, and it's interesting. I can overload myself with information now that I can, with the resolution. But I'm still kind of testing it, tweaking it to see what I really want to be able to see. So anyway, hopefully this works out well. Just one second. All right. Well, very, very quiet day for me. In fact, I forgot to bring the chart in. Let's just get a chart. Sorry about that. Let me just get a chart. Only did 2 trades today so far. Okay, first one was VBIV. Worked out very nicely on a percentage basis. No complaints whatsoever on it. This is one on Friday. Had a nice little pop at the very end of the day and closed strongly. I said in the pre-market we should be watching this one. I definitely got into it maybe a little bit later than I wanted to. Got into the trade at 570, right about here. Right about there, and wrote it. Took some out at 590. Took some out, some out at 623, and then took the balance out at just over at 601 and then 595. So I actually want to keep watching this one tomorrow. Take a look at the daily on this one, and there was really, it's a crazy looking daily, I believe, but there's really, this would have reverse split a while ago. There's really no resistance, so this is one I definitely want to keep watching. Sorry, this is kind of not looking, oh, there we go. So you can see up here, I mean, it did a reverse split quite a while ago. I mean, it's not going to reach $90, but definitely on the comeback trail. So turned out to be a pretty good trade. The other one was Mags from Holly. Actually, it is starting to come back a little bit. Let's get 15-minute chart. So the alert was at 695. I took the trade just over 7. I got in sort of an average of 703. And it had a nice pop. Look at that nice pop up to 725. I got out some at 715 and then on pennies on this downturn. Now it's come right back. Another one of those that I'll have to take a look at when you take a look at the daily, and has some room, okay? I mean, maybe up to the 750s. So on a percentage basis, maybe there is some room there. So I'll definitely be watching it tomorrow, maybe even at the end of the day. It's hard to say. Holly had, when I looked at Holly this morning, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There were 8 long strategies and 1 short strategy that made the cut. Of course, Holly did not know that the market would be weak. And as I said in the pre-market that, if we get some alerts, first of all, I said I don't think we'll get very many alerts because the market's a little bit weak. Most of the strategies are long. But if we did get any, we'd probably have to tread a little carefully on them. Mags may be a good example. In a stronger market, this may have just continued on, but it certainly didn't do that. And you know what? That is really about it. I say it's a fairly quiet day. The one that I did miss, let's see, we talked about it in the pre-market, and this one, quite a miss. I think I was so wrapped up in, early on, I was wrapped up in the VBIV trade and had several alerts on this one. One from the Alpha Predator right here at $14. That's interesting. It didn't trigger. Why not? Just a second. Symbol linking. There we go. So there's the blue arrow. So there, very early, and it was right at $14. And look what it did. I mean, it got as high as 1851. I was so concentrating right around this time, though, on VBIV, And so I kind of missed the boat on this one. Definitely a decent entry right here. You know, you could argue that on this red candle there with the bottoming tail and the bottoming tail here, you just take the trade right here. Unfortunately, I just didn't do it, but that a lot of people in the room did that, so very happy for them. And that's going to be about it. I'll get back into the room. Again, a very, very quiet day. Don't really see too much more happening, so that I want to really take a look at. But this, by the way, again, the news, Vertex VRTX, Vertex appears they did a $250 million deal, up to $250 million deal with them. That is why I do read the news. You know, I always like just to read the news in the pre-market just to see if I think that there's a possibility that there could be a trend, excuse me, a trend continuation. And you know, more than likely I would have tried to get into this one, but again, the VBIV I was a little more excited about because you know, it had the potential of maybe a couple of dollars in it, and on a percentage gain, I really did not want to miss it. So anyway, there'll be more. You know, everybody, people ask me, do you get upset when you miss them? Not at all. You know, we can always find trades, especially when we have trade ideas, and you do some pre-market homework. I can always seem to be able to find trades. All right, that's it for now. And okay, this is how to get into the room. There's the address. I open the room at about 8:45 and to get live at 9 o'clock. So I share my screen all day long. Also, again, as I've been doing for the last few days, in the text of the email you'll be sent is a link to show you how we're integrating with, we're linking with interactive brokers. You know, it's pretty cool. The one thing I have certainly noticed is that Interactive Brokers has a lot more shorts than my all the other brokerage platforms that I've had before. All right, well, thanks for listening, and hopefully we will see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.